塔台南方3要栋梁，栋梁左，盲降进近。
Here I am in the port city of Chouhai, South China's Guangdong province, where the Airshow China is underway between November 12th and 17th.
In addition to dynamic aerobatic displays, the event presents an impressive lineup of exhibits, offering a glimpse into the latest achievements in the industry.
该款设备是南航自研的飞行导航及程序训练器 FNPT 设备，跟飞机真实驾驶舱是1:1的比例还原，可以给飞行员一个非常沉浸式的一个飞行体验。我们有能力对世界上任何一个机场进行一个高精度的一个建模，而且基于我们的示景技术呢，我们具备建模速度快、建模精度高等特点。
现在我们基于云计算还有大数据，我们做了一套算法，在3万英尺之上，我们就可以监控到飞机出现了什么问题，或者是将要出现什么问题，我们在地面做好准备。它因为在我们600多架飞机上实时的监控，成本上也好，效率上也好，对我们一个很大的提升。
现在向您展示的是我们的 MR 虚拟培训，您面前是一个发动机，您现在可以向其他的方向进行走动，来观察这台发动机。它是有空间定位技术的，仿佛就有一台真的发动机在你面前。然后呢，请您回到发动机的正面，你可以看到上面是有一些部件的，你现在可以用您的右手去抓握这些部件，拖动高亮的部件，然后到发动机上放到它指定位置来模拟一个拼装培训。
我们的系统呢是提供低空飞行服务的这个大脑，那么主要是为我们的无人机和这个有人机在低空飞行呢提供这种运行服务、指挥调度。这种复杂城市低空的这个飞行环境下，我们实现这种用智能化的算法来为我们的低空飞行呢智能规划航路、智能的调度和智能的这种避障指挥。那么目前呢，我们这个套系统呢已经在江苏省、南京市以及其他的地方呢已经开始了这个试点。
Since its inception in 1996, Airshow China has become an important window for showcasing advanced aviation and aerospace technologies and equipment from home and abroad. It has also become an important international platform for promoting cooperation.
First time here at the Airshow in China. Very enthusiastic so far. Lots of interest, greater than I anticipated. It is a must. If you're going to get into the market,
so it's our 4th time here. This is a very important show for us. The air show attracts a lot of visitors, and it also attracts a lot of attention. We do a lot of work with airlines and aviation businesses in the U.S., and we're looking to expand that here in China. Everyone who's involved in the aviation industry, not only in China but in Asia, is pretty much here at this show.